By the end of this video, you will know how to add a dependent on TurboTax. TurboTax. Start by signing into your TurboTax account and opening the tax return you want to work on. Once you are inside the return, go to the My Info section. This is where TurboTax keeps personal and household details connected to your filing. In that section, choose the option to add a dependent so you can begin entering their information. TurboTax will then ask who you support. Here you will choose the category that matches the person you are adding. Select My Child if the dependent is your biological child, adopted child, foster child, or stepchild. If the person qualifies as a dependent but does not fit into that child category, select another person instead. After making the correct selection, click Continue to move forward. Next, enter the dependent's basic information. Type their first name, last name, date of birth, and citizenship exactly as required. You may also see optional fields on this screen. Fill those in if they apply to the person you are adding, then click Continue. It is worth taking a moment here to make sure names and dates match the official records you will use for your return. After that, complete the additional information section. Select the person's relationship to you, then answer the questions about where they lived during the year and whether they lived in the United States. These details help TurboTax place the dependent correctly in your return. Once those answers are entered, click Continue. You will then arrive at the eligibility questions. This checklist asks about the dependent situation during the tax year. Work through each item and answer based on the person's actual circumstances. That may include whether they were a student, whether they were disabled, whether they were married, or whether they provided more than half of their own support. Read each question carefully, then click Continue when the checklist is complete. The next screen is for the dependent's Social Security number or individual taxpayer identification number. Enter the SSN or ITIN in the field provided. If TurboTax asks whether the person's Social Security card says not valid for employment, indicate that only if it applies. Since this section involves identifying information, check the number closely before continuing. When everything is entered correctly, click Continue. Finally, review the dependent summary that TurboTax shows you. Go over the name, birth date, relationship, residency details, eligibility answers, and identifying number to confirm that everything is accurate. If something looks off, correct it before saving. Once the information is correct, save the dependent and continue with the rest of your tax return. Your dependent is now added to your TurboTax tax return.